In order to use camera filters on Realme GT 8 Pro, first of course we need to open the camera. So in here, let's say in the photo mode, we can find filters by using this button with circles. And there we go, we have a bunch of different filters that we can use pretty much immediately. And in some cases, we can also tap on this eye icon on the right side in order to find the example use of a given filter. And this eye icon is available for every filter that has this orange field at the bottom. Now, besides that, what you can also do, let me actually switch back to original. What you can also do is you can tap on this circle above, where we can turn on like a, I guess, like a misty effect, like glowing effect and dreamy. And that's, I believe, pretty much it. Oh, there is actually one more thing. So for example, in the photo mode, we can tap on the photo again in order to open smart scenes. Like for the stage, we can also turn on silhouette and fireworks, which might be also quite useful. Subscribe to my channel.